Hello everyone, I'm Hiba. Today we are going to find out the root of a function, say x cubed minus 4 of x minus 9 equals to 0 through bisection method. If we have a function, say if we have a function of f of x, a continuous function, for bisection method the function must be a continuous function and it must changing sign from negative to positive or from positive to negative. So what should we do? We just have to take 2 points xl and xu as our lower and upper limit such that the value of the function fxl and f of xu is opposite. It means it changing the sign and fulfilling this equation. Our condition is when we plug the value of f of x of l and x of u in our function, it must give two different values, mean one comes positive and the other comes negative. As a result, we have a product of these two is less than 0. Then what we have to do, we just have to take average of these two limits, upper and lower limits, and we get another new value. We can say another limit, say x1 here. Now we have to check if the value at this point gives us a negative value or a positive value. If it's giving us a negative value, so we neglect the previous limit x lower and we will assume this as our new xl limit. Now our range is in between this new value, this say our new limit x of l and our upper limit x of u. Since both have different signs, it is negative and this one is positive, then we will take average again and again. Let's see an example. If we have example, say x cubed, the same example, x cubed minus 4 of x minus 9. Now we are solving it through bisection method. Let's say when we put x equals to 2, when we put 2 in our function, we get a negative value, and when we put 3 in our function, we get a positive value. So these two limits are fulfilling our condition, our first condition. Now then what we have to take, we have to take an average of these two values. Say our value comes out 2.5, then we have to plug this value in our function and say what values comes out. If it comes out negative value, so what we'll do, we will take x1 as our new lower limit and xu as our upper limit. Then we have to find out, then we have to take mean again, and see is it coming a positive or negative. See, it's coming a negative value, so we will assume it as our new negative lower limit and we skip and we neglect xu, xl and x1 and say this is our new value. Then comes out again and again, we did iteration. By multiple iteration we get a root which is closer to 2.7064. Thank you for watching.